Hi students. We're going to look at our digital interactive notebook and what's available in it and kind of how to use it. So everybody has a front page, and on it all you need to do is type in your name by clicking on this and changing that. Also on this front page you have tabs that are linked to each of the dividers for each unit. So if you click this, it'll take you to Unit 1 where you'll start adding things from Unit 1 like notes and stuff behind the tab. So for example, if you wanted to take notes in Unit 1, you have templates at the bottom. You can pick any of these templates, and if you just right click on one, you can click duplicate slide, so you'll always have a template slide. So duplicate it and then drag it where you want it to go, like right here behind Unit 1. And then in these, once you've duplicated them, you can delete these things to the side, or edit them, or you can add your own at some point. You can then type in your notes, so like scientific method notes, and type your notes in here, etc. Or if you'd like, you can take a picture of your notes and just on a blank slide insert the picture. That also works. In your journal, you have your table of contents. So once you add something, you can add scientific method notes, for example. And then you can hyperlink it by highlighting and right-clicking, linking a slide in this presentation. If they're titled, they usually pop up with the title, but what you can do is figure out which slide number that is. So slide 6 is the one that I want to link. Right here, apply. So now when I click this, it takes me to my scientific method notes. You also can put your date that you entered it here and what unit it is in, Unit 1. We also, at the beginning of our journal, we all have a goal tracker. So please set a goal. I put 95, a high goal. Put a goal that you want to reach in the class period for the 9 weeks. Later, you'll put your actual grade, what you actually earned. Hopefully, it'll meet your goal. Create an action plan on how you're going to reach your goal. So turn in all work on time. Create a list of questions to ask during Zoom meetings or some examples. And then the reflection is for at the end of the quarter once you know your actual grade. We'll have a goal tracker like this for every quarter. There's a template one in the templates file at the end of your notebook. You also have table of contents template if you need to add once you start filling in all your stuff and running out of room. There's always one to add to. So that's just the basic overview of the notes. We will add things all the time, and I will make another video showing you how to add slides that I create to your notebook. Thanks for watching.